Hey, little explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing world of nature. First, let's go outside and find different leaves. Touch them, feel their textures, and guess their colors. Next, try to spot some birds. Can you imitate their sounds? Tweet, tweet. Now, let's gather some sticks and stones to create a cool nature collage. Use your imagination. Finally, don't forget to quietly sit for a minute. Close your eyes and listen to the sounds of nature around you. Isn't it fun to discover? Thanks for joining, and remember to be kind to our furry and feathered friends. Bye!